Hello guys, welcome once again to Sparky Media. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about this online platform which happens to be Animo platform, as you can see here on the screen. Okay, have you joined this platform, or do you have so much interest in joining this platform and you don't know if this platform is actually a legitimate platform or just another scam platform in disguise? Okay, there is a lot of hidden red flags about this very platform which people don't really know and understand, and in this review video I am going to be revealing and exposing every single hidden secret you need to know and understand about this very platform known as Animo. So if you have already joined or you have so much interest in joining, please, this video is for you. Calm down and watch this video from beginning to the end, because this review video will reveal to you and open your eyes every single thing you need to know and understand about this very platform known as Animo. So all you need to do is to calm down and watch this video. But before I proceed with this video, guys, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. What I know, this my channel is all about business. I share business tips, business reviews, business update videos here on my channel, money making ideas on daily basis on this my channel. So all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest updates is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I release new updates on legitimate ways of the legitimate way by which one can make money online. Then at the end of this video, if you are not in any of my WhatsApp group or Telegram group, I'll be leaving my WhatsApp group link in the comment section of this video. You can also use it to join us for more business tips, more money making ideas, and then more updates and rest of them. That is what I share there in my WhatsApp group. You can also use the link in the comment section of this video to join us there. Okay, but before I proceed with this video, guys, I would love to lay a quick disclaimer. This is disclaimer. This video is meant for educational and review purpose only, and not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I do not give financial advice and I do not guarantee any. So this video is basically made for review and educational purpose only. So therefore, you are advised to always make your own research before using any platform. I always tell my viewers this, because if you don't make research and you start using platform, you might end up losing money, you might end up making mistakes. So that's why review is very essential. So always make research. Okay, so in this video I'll be talking about what is Animo all about and how does it work, and how can one make money on the platform. Then we'll be talking about how can one withdraw money on the platform. We'll be talking about what are the packages of Animo platform, and then is it legit or scam, which is the main deal here. The most important thing is it legit? This is the question we all are asking, and everyone is curious to know about if this platform is a legitimate platform, and what are the hidden red flags which no one talks about this platform. And this video, I am going to be talking about it in full without any compromise. Okay, so let's dive into the business. What is Animo all about? Animo is an online earning platform which claims that user can make money in various ways by working, carrying out a task, and the rest of them. So that is what this platform claims to be. They claim that once one join and purchase or subscribe to any of their package, that they can be using it to generate money. How real is this? How legit is this? We are going to find out in this very video. This very video will reveal to us the whole truth we need to know about this platform. Okay, so how does it work? First of all, the platform claims that before one can earn on the platform, that they need to purchase or buy one of their packages, which they claim that they have two packages, which we can see here at the top right corner. They say they have their packages, and they have the 1-year plan, which they claim that is 15,000. According to the plan, they say that one will have access to work and earn system, where they claim that when you are working, you'll be making money by working. We are going to find out if it is legit or scam. Then they also claim that one will receive entry into Animo affiliate network, which I will explain. This thing they say affiliate network is one of the red flags in this platform, and I'll explain and expose that. So make sure you're watching this video. Then they also claim that one can have access to premium courses. They claim that they have made digital courses available for people to learn. They are always promising that. We will find out in this video. Then they also say one will be eligible for real estate opportunities, which means they will share their real estate revenue or capitals with some things like that. That's what the platform claims if you read it very well. Then they also have the 6-month plan, which they say that it is 10,000 for one to access the 6-month plan. Then they say one will have full access to work and earn system. Then one will have access to one will get access to Animo Affiliate Network, we will still talk about it. Then also say one will be eligible for real estate management. According to them, all the packages are the same, but the only that the plan, the other one is 6 months, while the other one is year. So that is it. Now, talking about the affiliate network they are talking about here. The affiliate network they're talking about here is referral program and referral bonus. So they just put it in that way so that people will, those who don't know how all these online platforms work may get confused or see it as something that is very big or something that is enticing without knowing that there is something fishy about that. But this video will really open our eyes. Okay, so now that I've explained every single thing about this platform, the platform claims that you can make money only when you purchase when you subscribe to their plan. That is when you will have access to your referral link, you have access to the work, and they claim that when you are working with your phone and when you do other tasks, sponsor tasks, social media tasks, and the rest of them, that you'll be making money on the platform. Is it real or fake? Now that is the question. Now here are the things we need to take note when they're talking about affiliate network. It simply means a referral, and this platform is a referral based platform. Now here are the things you need to know about this platform. We are going straight to the point now to talk about if it is legit or scam. Is Animo legit or scam? Well, Animo is a Ponzi scheme earning platform. What do we mean by Ponzi? Is that the platform robs another to pay another person, which means they rob it out to PayPal. This is what this platform does, this platform known as Animo. Before I even proceed further with this video, I would love to record some platforms that appear like this and ended up scamming people. For those of you who are watching my video, or those of you who are scammed by this platform I'm going to mention in this video, you will understand that they are all the same. So how many of you know about Nuvia Stream? If you know about Nuvia Stream, or you are among those who were scammed by Nuvia Stream, then you know that Nuvia Stream and this platform is the same. Nuvia Stream, I made a review video about Nuvia Stream. I told people that this thing that telling you subscribe for music for 12,000 for 1 year, that all this thing is planned. They claim that to be making 400 naira for music you listen. I told people that all those things are scammed and Ponzi. Nobody listened to me, but at the end, after 3 weeks I made the video, people were at the comment section of the video crying, lamenting. If they had made research, they wouldn't have lost their money to that platform. Now, how many of you knows about Tapify? Tapify happens to be one of them that claim the same thing. They claim that people will make money doing social media thing. They claim that they help people monetize social media, that they should subscribe to their package. All those things are what? Fakes. I will tell you guys a lot of things you need to watch out whenever you come across any platform that asks you to pay money. This you need to watch out and keep your money safe. This video will reveal all that to you. Okay? Now, how many of you watching this video can recall Ethereum platform? The same thing. I told people that this platform is a scam. Nobody listened to me. At the end of the day, what happened? Go to comment section. People were there crying if they had made research. That's why I'm always advising people. If you make research, you will have less chances of getting scammed, because research will help you. Research will open your eyes. I'm always telling my viewers this. I'm always advising my viewers, make research before using any platform. Do you understand? Always make research. Now, how many of you watching this video knows about Fortuners? Fortuners is one of them that is currently trending also. And I made a review video in regards to Fortuners. And if you go to comment section of that video, the next video that is going to display after this video is Fortuners review. If you go to comment section, people are there crying already that they have lost their money. They cannot withdraw. And they are asking for withdrawal video. And they cannot withdraw. Because of what? The platform is a scam. Now, let me explain this, their full affiliate method in full for you. Now, this thing they tell you that when you pay money, you access their affiliate. Now, what this simply means that if anybody introduce you to this platform, this your 15,000 naira you are paying, they will remove like 14,000 or 13,500 out of that money and pay to that person that is introducing you, which means they are removing 90 to 95% of your money, and they will pay to that person that is introduced you, which means that they have robbed you to pay another person. And those people that is introducing you to this platform, they will never tell you the truth. They don't tell people the truth. They will only tell you that you can earn without referrals. They will be promoting it and they'll be showcasing referral payment proof. That is why I'm always telling my people, if you want to find out if all the things I'm saying is the truth, tell those people that are introducing you, those promoters, those influencers, tell them to show you the non-payment proof. That's the task activities. Let them show you payment proof for that one. Or tell them to register you with their money. When you cash out, you will pay them. And then watch. They will block you on WhatsApp. They will block you on Telegram. So this is how to catch them easily. So if you have already registered, if you have already joined this platform, you have paid 15,000 or you have paid 10,000 naira. I am sorry to tell you that this platform cannot pay you if you don't refer. It is only when you refer. That is why it's called Ponzi scheme platform. They will rob the person you refer money. They will use that person money to pay you, because these are the things you need to know. This platform does not have any means of generating money for the user. Now, this platform, they are now aware that people are used to daily login, sharing of sponsor posts. They are now making it unique on daily basis. They will now tell you that we learn digital courses. There is nothing like digital courses. All these things are just to hype. I have been into this online space for a very long time, and I can confidently spot a platform that is legit, and I can also spot a platform that is scam at the same time. So I am not making this video to discourage you from joining this platform or to encourage you. This video is meant to revert to you all the things you need to know and understand about this platform before making your decision. I am not a financial advisor. I am not making this video for you to like me or for you to hate me. This is just me. I love telling people the truth whenever I am making a review video. I love being transparent. I will tell people the whole thing they need to know, the whole risk involved. So whosoever ever take decision, I will not be held responsible. All I know is that I have delivered my own part by telling people the real truth they should know. So if you have joined this platform or you have so much interest in joining this platform, bear it in mind that if you cannot refer, you cannot withdraw. The same thing I told people on Fortunes. And when I finished that video, people were in the comment section crying. The next video that is going to display, check it, you will see it yourself. So that's it. So before you join any platform, anybody's promoting platform, and I'm always telling people, whom we are to trust is the person that review the platform, not the person that is promoting the platform. The people that is promoting the platform may be promoting it for their own gain, but the person who reviewed the platform is likely to give you the full details, tell you the real truth you need to know, and then leave you with your decision. So that's why when you make research, before they will scam you to be hard. But if you don't make research, you just fall for their payment proof. They keep on displaying payment proof. Those payment proof you are seeing online, they are all this thing, referral payment proofs. These are the things you need to take note. So there is no payment for activities. They say you do task, you do this one, you work and earn. Nothing like that. No payment. They don't pay. All those things has been programmed to function that way, just for you to believe that is real. And then numbers will be adding to your dashboard. It is when you want to withdraw, that is when you discover that these things are just numbers, are just recording there, and you cannot withdraw numbers because it's not possible, because they have already used your money to pay the person that invited you. You understand? So that is why we see those influencers, they'll be giving discount. They will tell you, instead of 15,000, pay 13,000. Instead of 10,000, pay 8,000. They'll be giving you discount. And to you, you will be thinking that they are doing you favor without you knowing that they are after what they will gain, because they want to use you to cash out. So these are the things you need to understand about all this, their strategies. So don't be deceived. So whenever you see any platform that asks you to put money, ask you to buy coupon code, ask you to buy EPN, ask you to buy activator code, run. They are red flags. They are scams. Any platform that is telling you that they offer YouTube monetization, they offer Facebook monetization, they help you monetize, all these things are lies. YouTube is a platform on its own, and for anyone to monetize on YouTube, you have to meet their requirements. These are the things they used to, they will take people and they see people. If you don't make research, you will fall victim. But if you make research, you will not fall victim. Or even if you are falling victim, it will be rare. So that is it. So have you been using this platform? Have you already joined this platform? And have you been able to withdraw without having to refer anybody? If it is yes, share your own experiences in the comment section of this video. And then don't forget there is love in sharing. A lot of people are thinking of joining this platform without knowing that this platform is not actually what they think. So in conclusion, this platform is a fake earning platform and does not have means of generating revenue for the user, rather than using the person you invite money to pay you, or robbing the person you invite money, robbing the person you invited money to pay you. So which means that it is Ponzi scheme platform. In summary, they are scam. So they don't pay if you don't invite. So if you don't invite people, they will not pay you. They don't pay. So that's just the gospel truth. So if you just believe you make money by working, it is lies. They are all lies. So that's just the truth. So have you been using this platform, and what are your own experiences? You can also share it in the comment section of this video. Thank you for watching this video. I remain Spark. If you have another question in regards to this platform, you can also comment below. Thank you.